Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up PayPal payments for your products on Gumroad. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official gumroad.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the necessary info about your Gumroad profile. This is the main and home page. So guys, the first thing we have to do to be able to add PayPal payments is to go ahead and add a product if you haven't already. If you look at the left side of the screen right here, you'll see multiple sections that you can access, such as home, products, checkouts, post, and so on. In the product section, you can go ahead and add a new product. As you can see, I have already done that. I already have a product. If you have not added one, you can go right here in the upper right corner, click on new product. And this will lead you to this page where you can go ahead and add a new product. So after we have done that, now we can get started with setting up PayPal. So what we want to do is go ahead and find this almost last option right here called settings on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on settings, and this will now open up this new settings page where you can see multiple options that you can access, such as settings, profile, theme, payments, password, and so on. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up the payments tab right here. Go ahead guys and click on payments, and that will now open up this new page where you can go ahead and set up your payment. As you can see, now we can select the payment method, which is PayPal. So what we can do is go ahead and enter our PayPal email right here. Go ahead and enter your email here, and then you can go ahead and select to save the email. You can go ahead and select the save settings right here at the update payment settings. You can see that at the end of the page you have the option to go ahead and connect with PayPal. So after connecting with PayPal guys, you will automatically connect to your account, and then you will receive your payments to your PayPal account when people buy your products. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.